It rained finally and it's so wonderful. The grass is just sopping wet. The pond is filling up and I've got flowers blooming everywhere. Right now I'm carrying out this little shower caddy because I like to put my seeds in there and it helps me keep track of what I planted and what I still need to plant. And it's the easiest way, in my opinion, to plant a lot of seeds at once. And after a rainstorm is one of the best times to plant some plants or some seeds because the germination will be stellar because you've got all of that water-soaked soil to plant in, and I want to have a lot of beans growing along my new cucumber trellis. I've already got dill planted on either end and my cucumbers here in the middle, and I'm going to be planting a bunch of beans with the cucumbers because it really does work well together since they both climb and it helps me to save space. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? The dog's out here. You stay there. Stay right there. I'm not by myself though. No, don't eat my cucumbers. Don't eat them. Okay, I gotta go. Listen, hey. I have to go and get you a peanut. I know, are you confused? Listen, I'll come around the other side, look. I know, I don't have one with me. I gotta go get it. I have to go get it. All right? Let me go get it. Oh, Louie's out here. Go on. I'll be right back. Look out for the dog. The dog's out here. Okay? I'll be right back. Stay right there. You stay there. Okay, I see you waited on me. Look. Here you go, baby. Here. Good job. Good job. Now she's gonna go bury it in the garden for me so I can grow more peanuts. Oh my goodness. What a mess. You're a mess. Bonus, I can also carry around some peanuts for my gal. Definitely growing some long beans and some rattlesnake beans. It's important to look at the back of your seed packet to see if they are a pole bean, a pole habit, or a bush habit. If they're a pole habit, they have vines and they'll grow up to 10 foot, so you need to make sure and put them on a trellis. I do have another one. We're also doing some yard long beans and we're doing them opposite of the red ones, so they'll be at the end of the trellis. And while my cucumber plants are small, I'm gonna put in some just regular bush beans because they'll take up this little space here and they don't take that many days to harvest. So hopefully I can get some. It might get too hot for them, but we'll see. Another reason why I want to go ahead and use these is because they are from 2022 and the longer your seeds hang out on the shelf, the less viable they can be. Okay, yes, I do have another peanut for you. Oh my goodness. Okay, here, look. All right. Oh, there you go. Good girl. Eat that one though, okay? I know you buried all the other ones. Have a little breakfast snack. Okay, well, I'm glad that you're ensuring we're growing more of them. Okay, all right, well,